Hi everyone! Hello everyone. So for today's video is may lakad tayo. Kaso, wala tayong slipper. Di ba kaya nga putol na? Ayan. So muna, lagan rata. Sige rata kaon sa gawas. Pero, wala tayo nagkapalit og bagong sandal. Anong antos ta og butang og panani. Hindi naman magputol siguro niya. Huwag magputol makatinil kita bulian matang-tang naman gyapon siya. Ang gawas ba siya? May sud ni. See? Init dahil siya nung mabutang sa panit. Kapaso. Marag pasuon nung. Good. Diba? Pwede na nakalaag. Dito mo laag. And for today's video, kay
you know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you.